right, next up, we're gonna add a little pull to the push. So let's get our fun contraption here. I'm excited about this. All right, so what you're gonna do, slide your fingers in, hinge back, load the glutes, pack the shoulders, and we're gonna go max reps. We're gonna row those weights back, all right? Now, try to keep the shoulders peeled away from the ears. You can add a little rotation if you want a little bit more bicep. What I'm gonna ask that you don't do is let those shoulders sag through and watch the back position. Go ahead, stick your glutes out. No one's watching. Stick it out. Nice, and you can even play with different variations. All right, a little bit more rear delt. All right in the middle, neutral, supine grip. So many options here. 5 seconds. Yes, good, nice. And if you're engaging the glutes, hopefully you felt that a little bit too, okay? We're gonna keep one of these and we're